Hello friends, welcome to my channel My Way of Cooking Healthy and Tasty. My today's recipe is Cheesy Soya Chilla. We often get confused what to plate in the breakfast table when our family wants something delicious, and for us it is a healthy choice which matters the most. So here is a super delicious protein packed breakfast recipe which you can try out once. So this is the soya granules. You have to boil it and strain off the extra water, and it should be dry enough before you start making the stuffing. Now we will start making the stuffing. So heat the pan, take a little oil, sprinkle a little jeera or the cumin seeds, let this splatter, ginger garlic paste, a little turmeric, little coriander powder, garam masala, mix this all well. Then put the chopped onions, stir it well with the other spices, and let this be cooked for some time. And whenever the onion gets cooked with the spices properly, I'm going to use the tomato puree. You can use tomato ketchup. Mix it well. And cook it just for few seconds. Now this is done, and now I'm going to use a little green peas. Now this is the frozen green peas. You can also use the boiled one made at home. Sprinkle a little salt. Mix this well. I can get a very nice flavor of the spices now. Now I will use my boiled soya granules. Mix this well with the spices. A little bit of chopped green chili I have used. If you want, you can also use the red chili powder. increase the taste. Now put a lid and let this be cooked for few minutes. See, my stuffing is ready now, the soya stuffing. And now we will start making the batter for the chilla. Now for making the batter, I'm first going to use all the dry ingredients. So here I'm using soya flour. This flour is available ready-made in the market. And a little rice flour to get the crispiness in the chilla. With some salt and a little turmeric to get the color. Mix all this well. And now we will make the buttermilk. So for making the buttermilk, I'm going to use plain yogurt. You can get it ready-made in the market, but if you can't avail it, then you can make it at home the way I'm showing it to you. Mix this well. There shouldn't be any lump in it. And just mix it with water. Now see, my buttermilk is ready. Okay. And now I'm going to pour this mixture, the buttermilk, in my dry ingredient and just mix it well. Now see, my batter is ready. I'll show you the texture like this. Neither too thick nor too runny. If you want, you can use a little chopped fresh cilantro also in the batter, but I'm going to use it later on the stuffing, so that's why I haven't used it here. But if you want, you can anyway use it. Start making the chillas. So first heat the tawa and then cool it down, because your tawa shouldn't be too hot while making pouring the batter in it. Just wipe it off. And I'm not going to use any oil in it because this is a hard anodized pan. I'm just straight away pouring the batter and just spread it all over the pan, just like you make the dosas. and let it be cooked for some times. Generally takes a little longer time to be cooked properly on both the sides, so I have to keep some patience and keep the flame in medium. Now see, when you start getting the little aeration all over the chilla, so now I'm just going to use a little oil all over it. Just to make sure that it flips over properly. And see, whenever your chilla takes a little golden brown in color, you spread the cheese all over it as much as you wish, and put the lid and let it be cooked for some times with the flame medium to low. Let the cheese get melted on the chilla properly. See, the cheese got melted on top of the chilla very nicely, and switch off the flame now, and I'm going to use the stuffing now with the little chopped onions and fresh chopped cilantro. And now it's time to flip over one side. See, it has taken a nice golden brown in color, and this is done. Now I will show you another chilla. So after making the first one, just rub off the extra oil on the tawa, cool it down, and then again spread the batter. Keep the flame in medium again, and see, whenever the dosa start getting the aeration, use a little oil all over it, which I already did, and then again spread the cheese. And put the lid again and let it be cooked for some times. Now see, the cheese is done. It got melted very nicely, and the chilla has also taken a nice golden brown in color. Now I will use the stuffing again, and with the little onion and chopped cilantro. Now switch off the flame. See, it has been cooked very nicely, and just flip over one portion. I hope you like my recipes. If you do, please hit the like option, share this with your friends and family. Please subscribe my channel for more healthy and tasty recipes like this. I have given the details of all ingredients in the description box today. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.